XRP to $100. That's the latest call we're hearing since the BTC ETFs have been approved. But what if I told you there was even bigger news out there? That's right. An IPO was filed during all this noise. It went under the rug, but I'm going to share it with you. XRP to $100 is BTC ETFs go live. And yes, we were streaming live when the news broke, but I got bad news for you. That stream was demonetized, everyone. So all that hard work I put in yesterday went for nothing except for hanging out with you. Now, sadly, YouTube will not let me replay that live stream because I think we crossed the naughty line. Actually, I know we crossed the naughty line, but it was a lot of fucking fun. So, did we get paid for the stream yesterday? No. Did we have fun? You bet your fucking ass we had fun. Schlock says today's favorite headlines. Boom, 100% confirmation. XRP aims for over 100. BlackRock anticipates 529,800 for XRP. Parabolic catalysts. Let's take a look right quick at the price. 61 cents. Okay. Brett Garlinghouse says XRP King Utility. XRP 300 transactions per second. Swift does 523. ODL not even close to taking over Swift. It's taken 10 years to get 300 transactions per second. It'll take another 10 years to get to 600. The train went down the track as she blew toot toot and said, "You to the passengers." The train's leaving the station, baby. $100 XRP is next. Daryl Vasquez says, proud of Klaus. Still a good time, though. Yeah, that's because Daryl was hanging out with us in the live stream yesterday. It was a frickin' blast. BTC ETF approval. Does this heat map reflect what you were thinking was going to happen? I mean, be real here, be real. Everyone was calling out there for the biggest moves ever when the BTC ETF approval happens. Well, here's what we got in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's in at 47,811, up 5%. Yay! ETH, 2635. ETH was moving before the pump. Now, some of you were talking in the comments, and I was one of them. Are you going to get in on this ETH move? ETH to 3,000. ETH to 3,000 before XRP even gets close to $1. Mark my words. XRP at 61.2, up 10% last 24. I think that's good. Is it moonshot? No. I think, though, a 10% move is healthy. Now, for those of you like, bro, you always bring negative news, here's an early dose of go fuck yourself. I just said a 10% move is a good thing, and that's what we're getting. Now, sadly, though, ADA is up 20. Avalanche is up 17. DOT is up 20. ETC is up 46%. Near Protocol is up 17%. But hey, 10% gains for XRP is totally welcome at this point. Is it $100? No. Is it the God Candle? No. Is it a hearing that you now can't watch that had over 5,774 views? It's blocked because I was speaking the truth and being naughty Klaus on the live stream? Yeah. Oh, and for anyone that donated on yesterday's stream, you should be getting a refund as now that stream has been completely yanked off the internet. Oh, Mr. Huber, are you following Mr. Huber on Twitter? You got to get approved to follow my man's tweets. Here's what Mr. Huber said, and he called the correction under 60 here this last week. Not looking healthy anymore, if you ask me. Nothing goes up in a straight line. I want to see a retest of 54 cents before we move higher. That's right, no God Candle whatsoever. And people are a little miffed by this. I mean, I can now comfortably say the 50-cent range will never be seen again. XRP the standard to the moon. Are you fucking serious? You don't think you're going to see the 50-cent range again? Dude, we're at 61.1. Are you serious? When we zoom out here and we look at the 1 year, the Torres pump got us up way higher than the BTC. That's the BTC ETF. Do you even see that? Do you even see that little thing right here? That's the BTC ETF. That's the Torres pump. Which one do you think moved the market bigger? Which one do you think the market thought was a bigger move? Torres pump. No shit, and that didn't even last. So how do you expect it now to what? I feel comfortable. And you know what? In fact, let's do this. We're going to write this down, and we are going to put down, you are a tool bag. There. All right, there we go. I helped out. I said he's a tool bag. Yeah, that would be super unhealthy and actually dangerous. Yeah, that's seriously like XRP never going to hit 50 cents again. Oh my God, is the train leaving the station? Do we have to go back to that video of the train leaving the station? What about when the Torres pump happened and everyone said, oh, you're never getting in at these levels again? Dude, you had a whole fucking half a year to get in at those levels. Uh-oh, is this stream or is this video going to get demonetized again? Let's hope not. Let's hope not. Let's keep learning, though, because Mr. Huber is like, yo, this isn't nice. It's riding the same way as the rest of the market. Nothing exceptional to see here. Will there be a correction? Of course. Yes, it will. Oh, God, this is pathetic. Low, we retested 54 cents 20 times. Exactly. And we're going to test it again. Now, there was an IPO that happened. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Circle, they were kind of thrown under the bus yesterday as being someone that avoided regs while kind of garnering the benefit of regs. And Circle, Jeremy Allaire is a big piece of shit. Okay, maybe we're going to get demonetized again, whatever. But let's keep it going because I like to tell the truth. XRP to $100 in the BTC ETF move? Wrong, Jackie Thomas. You're at 61 cents. Hope you ordered and put down the down payment on that Lambo because the BTC ETF move made you rich, bitch. No, actually, it didn't. Let's get back to this IPO. Circle Internet Financial, the entity responsible for the prominent stablecoin USDC, which is a piece of shit losing its market cap to USDC, announced its confidential filing for an initial public offering, an IPO. The move aligns with the company's ambition to transition to a publicly traded entity. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, now, there's some deals with this. We don't have a price, and we don't have a date yet. Okay, that stuff has not been released. Okay, that's interesting, and here's why. Because in 2022, Circle agreed to a SPAC, valuing the company at $9 billion. However, the deal was terminated in December 22nd. All right, December 22. Reflecting development, Jeremy Allaire expressed his disappointment over the lapse in proposed transaction, but reaffirmed the company's issue of public listing. The reason they didn't go public in December of 2022 because the value was way too high for the company. It just did not match. See, so what happened was they got some early funding, and when you get early funding, that creates your value for the company. Well, we know the crypto market went down over the last couple years, so these companies are worth way less. So when they were trying to do the SPAC, they're like, yo, this ain't worth that kind of money, dude. So the SPAC didn't go ahead. So now they're doing an IPO as the market has kind of come back as a whole, right? I mean, you can kind of see the market's kind of coming back as a whole. So now they launched this IPO. Are you going to get in the IPO? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I ain't going to touch that fucking thing with the 10-foot pole. I wouldn't even use your money and play the IPO. I might cover it news-wise, but it's seriously a big steaming pile of shit. Circle is not a good one. I'm telling you that right now. Circle is not a good one. So you got Circle IPO. Talks of a Ripple IPO, well, that's going to have to wait till after the court case. And remember, Ripple is buying back private stock. They're using XRP to buy back private stock. So if you're an XRP holder, I hope you feel good that Ripple is taking the XRP that you keep supporting them with, paying back their private stock shareholders who, yes, are original investors in the company. So there, you've got that. There's your buyback, okay? Crypto reaches a turning point as the SEC approves Bitcoin ETFs. The development is considered significant for the crypto market and the broader fintech industry as 11 applications were approved. A decade in the making, these ETFs represent a pivotal moment for Bitcoin, allowing investors direct exposure to the largest cryptocurrency without holding it directly. Why not buy the damn thing directly then? I mean, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking to myself, okay. So you got this ETF. Are people now, new people going to get into the ETF? Or do you think some people that own native Bitcoin are going to be like, Bitcoin's too risky, let's go to the ETF? Are you serious? Like, do we really think that this is going to drum up crazy money? Listen to these guesses and estimations here. Now, I want you to take those guesses and estimations, and I want you to apply it to this heat map, which is so juicy from the ETF approval. Data from Standard Chartered, cited by Reuters, projects potential inflows of $50 billion to $100 billion in the first year alone, while others estimate around $55 billion over the next 5 years. Okay. I mean, but the reality is how many people are going to get into this? I mean, Bitcoin, right, the one that's directly related to this, is up 5.7% in the last 24 hours. Does that sound like billions and billions and billions and billions flowing in? I mean, are there going to be that many people interested in these ETFs, or are they just going to buy Bitcoin native asset? See, I'm bringing this up because remember, it's the whole over-promising and under-delivering. How did I start out the video? XRP to $100. Total bullshit, right? Well, what about these estimations that you're going to have 50 to 100 billion in the first year alone? What if it's more over-promising and under-delivering? And again, the reason why the market didn't rocket ship to the moon is because BTC ETF action, people in the know were like, this is cool, this is a great move, but I don't see moon action here. I don't see that much money flowing in. And I'm just being nice here. I'm not being a mean person. I'm just being nice. Does this move here tell you BTC ETF? Does this move here tell you anything big in the market other than, it's a green day for the market? I mean, now, when I look at Tora's move here for XRP, Juicy McBooty, yeah, you could have made some money selling that news. Yeah, Juicy Booty, look at it. Look at it. Tora's action, you know what happened in that day? We went from 47 cents to 88 cents. You know what we did on the BTC ETF day? 55 cents to 61. You notice that? We made a 10% move on the day of the announcement of the news. Nothing compared to the near 100% move that we made on the Tora's action. And when you look at it, see, the Tora's action didn't hold. Is the BTC ETF action going to hold? Is it going to really be 50 to 100 billion? Or again, is it more over-promising and under-delivering? One of the things that we did see with the hearing yesterday, oh, here it is. See, I have access to the hearing because I saved it. And you know why I got in trouble? Does anyone here know why I got in trouble? Are you ready? Hold on. Here we go. Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausages? Yeah. Uh-oh. See, I can't play that because I'll probably get in trouble. But there were actually people in Congress when they were talking about this. They were like, yeah, I don't think this is going to be a big thing right now. Like, there were some of them out there blatantly saying it like, this is kind of, whatever. So you got to ask yourself, is this BTC ETF going to take XRP to 100? Is it going to take the whole market in rocket ship mode? You got people out there that have been calling these corrections, like, accurately saying, well, this isn't good. We're going to see a retest of 54 cents before we move higher. 54 cents we're going to retest? But come on now. David XRP 305 said, I can comfortably say this, the 50 cent range will never be seen again. This shit will not age well. Maybe this post here should be demonetized because my stream got demonetized yesterday. Telling the truth on how it's a big piece of nothing burger. But then again, XRP to the moon, we're up 10% in the last 24 hours. I'm ordering my Lambo as soon as I get off of the video here. Now, if you've watched this part of the video, you are awesome because at the end is when I usually throw in a little bit of spicy. Now, XRP up 10%. That is good. So again, haters out there that say, bro, you never report good news. Here's a dose of shut the fuck up. Now, XRP up 10%. Is it up 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%? No. Is it moving as much as the Tora's action did? No. Is the rest of the market moving big? Yeah, there's some big winners out there, up 20, 30% as I showed you on the heat map. But is this more of the over-promising and under-delivering? I mean, that's what we heard in the hearing yesterday. That the crypto market is just not big enough to make impacts on the financial market, and that's what they were saying in the hearing. Now, the hearing was a disappointment because, yes, it got demonetized because I did some naughty things on there, and I've done some naughty things on this video, too. But I'm going to keep bringing the truth because, I mean, I don't know, XRP moon action, 61 cents. You got now people comfortably calling for XRP's never going to retest 50 cents again. I mean, cringe. I mean, dude, that's what the deal is, lemon peel. It's crap. Now, Circle's got an IPO, which is cool. I'm going to be very curious to see what they value their company at because their SPAC deal fell through because it was an overvaluation. And crypto was heavily overvalued in December, and that had to do with the FTX crash that happened. So that makes sense. But now, as we eye what's ahead of us, you're going to hear more calls for, just wait. Once the ETF knowledge gets out and once the news gets out, the news is out. The news got out yesterday. Buy the rumor and sell the news got us 10%. Now, I got to be honest with you. I got excited yesterday and I put an order in for a Lambo because XRP is going to go to $100. I got Radar Purple. I did order the V12 model. I also got the upgraded rims. I got the carbon ceramic brakes. My bill is going to be close to $480,000, but luckily for me, XRP is going to hit $100, and I'm going to have a Lambo. That sounds fucking stupid, doesn't it? Yeah, I thought so. All right, everyone. BTC ETF is here. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Most of the market action was priced in already. Okay. XRP going to $100. Don't think so. Circle's IPO, big piece of shit. Launching an IPO, piece of shit. Awesome. Ripple, yeah, did buybacks of their own private stock using XRP, which is what, you're buying to get their original shareholders back some more of their money. Because Ripple's going for a higher valuation for a company too. So, I mean, yeah, let's just keep dumping on XRP holders more. But, hey, the XRP holders are rallying for $100. Train left the station. That's a shitty station if that train is only at 61 cents. You think I'm being negative? Look at how much it moved on the Torres action. Look at how much it moved on the ETF action. What do you think is bigger for the market? What do you think the market cared about? What do you think the market didn't care about? The market didn't care about either. Why? Because the Torres pump couldn't hold. And the BTC ETF action got you 10%. Girlfriend, hold up. Carbon ceramic brake upgrade is a $40,000 upgrade. Luckily, XRP is going to $100. I can afford that easy. We're never going to retest 50 cents again.